the journey of 2 hours can be done in 20 minutes. As in, you wouldn't even believe it. Matlab, like, who would have thought something like this was possible? And आज, मतलब नवी मुंबई से मुंबई तक और गोवा से मुंबई तक और बैंगलोर से मुंबई तक, when all the journeys made so easily and with such amazing infrastructure, makes me feel proud.
जब वर्ल्ड के बाकी हेरिटेज साइट्स हम देखते थे तो लोग कहते थे कि इंडिया में ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर्स हो ही नहीं सकते, इंडिया का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इस लेवल का हो ही नहीं सकता, इंडिया नहीं बना सकता। तो अब हमने ये कर दिखाया अटल सेतु।
हाँ जी।
तो वर्ल्ड हमको क्रिटिसाइज करता है, उस पर क्या कहेंगी?
अब तो इंडिया ने ना सुनना, they're not willing for it anymore. So I think now at least India is not stopping anywhere. Nobody is saying it's not possible in India, ab ho nahi sakta, or it's impossible for India. Nobody's like, look at our country grow. Like, it's freaking brilliant the way in the last 10 years the country has grown, and the infrastructure today, the planning in our country, the road planning, everything is just brilliant. So I think now it's the hard time. मुझे लगता है कि अभी the young generation, the young India is growing at such a fast speed, and it's the young generation, as in India, is the smartest country, I would like to say. I take pride in it, and I think like it's something that the young Bharatiya, like, they have to vote, and they're being very responsible now. And it's no more that they're getting influenced by, whatever you say. People are actually seeing. People are being very responsible. People are being very smart about it. And I think they're headed the right way.